Typewriter is a distraction-free writing tool. It combines the simplicity of a typewriter with all of the convenience of digital documents. You don't have to remember syncing, saving, sending, or anything. It all happens automatically and all the time.
So we've all been there before. You're in a jam to finish writing a paper, and what do? You carefully collect all the things you need into your backpack and hike down to the coffee shop. And before long, instead of being busy on your paper, you're busy on Facebook.
We engineered to do one thing and do it sublimely well. It's designed to work straight out of the box. There are no pop-up notifications, application settings, or menus of any kind. It simply just works.
You can wake up in the morning, sit down, and just start writing. Spend a half hour every morning journaling before you turn on your phone and let the wired world dictate the rest of your day. With your support, we can get this new product into production, hire more talent to Detroit, and develop an open API to expand our offering. We anticipate developing encryption, automated formatting, including Markdown, and better integration with software like Scrivener and Final Draft.
Back us on Kickstarter and pledge your support today. Thanks so much.
Thanks.